So here is the MagicBand Plus, where we bought this a couple of years ago and now we're going back to Florida. So I just wanted to sort of tell you what we experienced with the charging issue. So when I first plugged it in, that would light up and it would go off and it wouldn't work. It would be non-responsive. It wouldn't be doing this as it is now, the charging. So what I had to do was basically, I tried a different charger. So this is like, I think this is a more powerful charging brick from Apple, for like an iPad with USB, and it pushes current. So I had a smaller one, but it can push more current. It's a more powerful charger. It's the only one I had in USB-A, and basically all I did to fix the issue is to plug it in with this new charger and basically just leave it plugged in for like half a day. Just give it a really long time to push that charge in to the device. I did try doing all the other options, like hard resetting, which you can do. You just hold, so basically that's hold for 3 seconds and it will reset, reboot it. If you hold it for 10, it should like allow you to repair it. But basically after that, it's working fine. So I've gone on the app, I've updated the firmware, and basically all I did was leave it for half a day. So if you're struggling with your MagicBand Plus, don't go out and buy a new one just yet. Give that a try. And it worked for me, and hopefully it'll work for you. So it's just a quick tip video here, and hopefully that'll help you guys out.